Omonchomorigirene mambingia yeritgeriga ria Jumatano chitarikine mirongo ibere igoro ase omotinyo iga ogatano na gatatu bwakire buya ngai obwatete riogeriga koru ngai obwatete chibiche gakoro erita riaondereri ase mambia bono na boigo andake narari arioroche akogochandikiagira amang'ana na amange bono chingaki echiga ekero amang'ana siasa amang'ana ya abanto gosiria amagemo abo ase chinchera chire chiobotutukano amang'ana yokorigereria uchumi yense amang'ana y'ebirero biobokonye ekero aborokigwa abange buna bari bagosoa ase university ao ime yense ya Kenya abana ngosoa bare college ase amatuka aiga andake aye nkai otenine ase ebiro ebiga ase amatuka aiga aye narariari akogochanda ekiagera bono twensi andake emechando yoyonde tariere yao gose emechando omonto onde abwate aya ase ensemo yawe ebinto ebire biya kende nero eng'anirio ogochengira gose okwegokeria ase amatuka aiga bwakire buya ime ya Getembe TV karibu sana ase omorobiri iga gwetwania ya Getembe rituko riga ria Jumatano tochie gokwanera amange ase nagotebirie ng'a amang'ana siasa kirokori muna ewiki yiga siasa enyinge koranga siasa abantu bachakire kuoga sana gatia baraya abanasiasa bachakire kuba active andake neseng'encho yobochorio oboke gose by elections echichira chikokorekana omotinyi oikomi na rimo ugokorera igo mwancho omorigere na amange agendete gotonchokana na amange toranyare gosangana ekoroiga Getembe TV nchenkoro Matilda obaigwa Havila Kariri cross studio ya kabiri koneke kwanyore chibichanerio gya senchera engikerano ase ensemo gose ase chinse chiga chabono mambie kirongo chaka nensemo ikionga mwancho murigirira abasaye babiri nigo banyarite gosiria amagemo abo ime yenyombe ya moyo kwebokia chinsemo chia mogonga ebunge abo machoge borabu ekaunti ya Kisii babirabo mumura na boigo omoiseke nigo bono bagotebekana bare inse y'emiaka 20 konya nigo banyure amaro bakanyara gotina na boigo bakagenda kurara ase enyomba ye generator na boigo kubwatekana no kubura wechinguru cy'umuriro nigo generator yanyarete gokiwa na kuirira barabo koererwa nembeo engia ekiokerete barabo gosiria obugema bwabo Gilbert Kobi korwa chinsemecho no roboti rasenchira enkerano
Nime asomo chiomugonga abonchereria n'abamenyi bomuchie oyo banyoretwe asomo ichano monene magega yabasaye babere omoiseke no mumurago siria amagemabo asomo basokano okuboro kwembeo imekera bukemenkantenga the world
koroge sanga ngerikia bete kese nyomba ya moyo kwego kigaiga se town ito ya mugonga yabasaye babere bakagenda se room yokirie generator bagaisike rororo later on generator elia eliokiriria abana bali babere bakalinywa bagasavocate kuba wichi kogenda baadaye abanyene korole generator kare yali mete ende bachigochenja mafuta bakanyora basa bali babere no bali babigiti yanga
engana na kirori barenga asabwo babere abwo bari insi y'emyaka 20 konyora batindira ase kirabu kya Wells ebiro bachiete gutimuka ase generator yabekire room
abantu barenga ab'emyaka meke batokira se epaye moga mugonga ntumuna barai mang'ana ya tatakiri abakororekana se town yaito asengencho ingakiene yerusa
mokonyi bumunyakiro ogwechiro ya mugonga Jasper Mose nigo abaganirie bonsi baria babugate birabu ime ya mocho mugonga nabagotumeka generator ase okomenda chinguru karo chinguru che estimate chia burire barosie ase chikobera
igo tugusaba abana biashara baito bonzi betawoni ya mugonga aki chichenereta chiroserigwe asagia chikonyara koba agakofungeru ekero batete guchinje na mafuta gose kindororo baenda baigura egere ebintu turanyara gutanga munebyo
barengana nere ebigori ebike byesoirie asobotindu asekerengo kigoro mono ime yo muchobonga musingi kore ogotwara ebirengereri ime ya mugonga egento abaganirie gwetanga nebikoro binge biga bikwirira obugoma bwabo gosira
nende twaje abasaye baito n'abantu bonse bakunywa maru kaindiri etiga kunywa maru mubwate stress na abantu baito bonse bakora se osabanyene club abantu bone bali ni stress mbali amuntu onyugire ni stress chiaye akiti akomonderia maru umuntu otindete mono nende akomomenta maru andi
abande nigo batebire buna ebitangombire biganeirie kobogorigwa gutanga ayakogenderera na mono kuimukireria ebirengo byogukini egesa gwetera asokorende abasaye mono
chipa chiroro chire chinyinge bana bakure barabake mono batarakora egesaku
oiga baibori nigo basabire kurenda abana babo chingaki chiga bale rusa mbenyora ase matemu anga buna yayiga na kwenyora ase ogochigosira na kwenyora ase chingoma ikorwa ase obotindu bonga buno biwa ase bigori ebike
tagete serikali yaitu naba community policing amona abatinindi bechiro batokonya mangana yayiga sokorora abana bake bandi bonse bagusurura ase town ya Mugonga ntori gochugwanja mangana anga munaya igoyo serikali yaitu ya Kenya na magina ebwaterane asogose okwo kwera ticket amangana munaya mabakorekana ase town yaitu
iga na ase chiro ya Mugonga ase wanya kuba gukweresha nabanyene igoro yo gusira kwa mumuro yo mona we gumisiko yo monya kwa gusira umugwari tukuri igoro abane nigo bagoteba ngambare igenanga andake kine kiabaitete nabo igo ibintu biri bikukwanirwa mbiyanga oborebi no kunywa maruko abere okonga ase bigori bire bikase ensemiga ya Mugonga bona bamenye nigo batagete oborendi bunyako bukinwa iri konya ebigori ebike nabo igo wale toborendi ase chire ya Mugonga nabo igo abana byasara baroro kuigo tere Getembe TV kurwa ase chire ya Mugonga ere imya sensemo ya umachoge bora we county ya Kisia Maritani nche Gilbert Kobi
Wancho murigere na waigori tukuri igoro nigo abamenyi bekinyoro gia ikorora iyo kutoka sesa location ya Boroko imeye bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii na barabanya leto gutura negekuro magega yo musawo yo masirita Geoffrey Soe kukwera nyumba kolengana n'abanyakinyoro nigo okotebekana umusawo yo aitetwe n'abantu ose mob justice asekirenga getamanyiri ukwana ne amateyo nigo nyagosira alentakana ase omochio yo magega yo gosiria mamu mwabo asimya menge yaitire na nigo akagere utwara okuboko gotambe muri keito anko dipo nasanya na roboti yo asenchira ekubwatia
hokogania kwa bange noko banoba moyo emambia ya rero ase kinyoro ya ikorora gotoke sub location ya Boroko imeje bunge ya Bonchari Ngabamenye bensemejwe baturwa nebikuro
agitato minto gaki mwere komoseni gaki
aya maega yomosae aserieta taabu ngencho yaye emechando gotoka nyumba gasiretie obogima bwaye
kimambi nakama mabere nairindiri naikakasarani nairana kunairanire nanyora konkare kwenda uchimana nyoro muntu gukura ngobori nkikiaba ngaya taabu okuri ngobori nkikiari taabu nahabwati bane birundu nacha paka gaiga lakini kurunaga twaga achite mambi gaiga bono nyubwete ngaigoro Chelsea chensi go senchensi nga chensi njabwate tetabu uyu bari kumuitere nyumba eri ya mumuruminto ngana bamuitete
engana bonenene etigarete kobege tenda wili gochia sabanya kenyoro
oyo sirete no mwana muswati ominto ekere twate buno mwana oyo nyari kobokora rekere twacha ntwanya report iga gotatige kene tigagiate na kobekene abange bangoteba na ekiraite tu no chango chabo nchimanyite haya yanko yabe koroku makambo no mwana yo koroku dadi Matias na bamwambanete kurwa saitere tu mali bakamubeka gaiga aya katwengo chimbara gatwigwe to borto konya kurera igore mwana style atigarete mwana oringe kengwerere no mwaka konyora tarakura omwana aro obwoso obwekase nyano koroku sokoro okorukutoni yatana ninje namusibete chingoli nina konyoro to chandire ekenyoro na kenenge murakoreki muratokorere keraba moita aba muraba mwabo chianko chia aba bono bali bamura baminto batigarite iga babiri oyo mo ninche tomenyete nere mbaru che munagoitwa bone keraba ro che munagoitwa twachire gotema kuburi nga esababu ari goiterwe eka rumwana okuruma igaro taringe muya lakini rende eria igoro tabwate igoso rindi
igendo kyo gukumia na chiango chabo chonse pino charenge na the badmitri no barenge yanke ya mwobo ya monero yemugeti kurugari ya mureta so igendo kyatokera munanje ngamu murumu abo se murumu abo nambate tigente ke report kwa se police to an extent barete gari mapema yika gari patate tiko report police bono lendu na litwa emotional why na they were there
gukwa na ekerekyo abaisemoke abo bakagere ko bakerori asugusagano kwaye
nabo kabona mambi natebunga mwibwo agasirete kurabu njiri matingi kenge
nanyo thembule kumuita nkabwanga ki ingi kiamuli okwaboso goitu kwa yenje nalingo tincheti komanya niki kia penalty neri komurusi sikari nkobora nkia gutweru tukamubeka nyumba
omomura bwe myaka 24 omanyire kobo musae bwe chinguru
robona mbate mete kumurwanta linse mbate mete kumusiba bainga abantu abangokora monto amata kumwaka ra kwendo irwanirira onyora kendege kobekamo obekamo
okoboria bono gochia asabanto noko irangora asoko ire gitambo kero kirichiko asama okabo
nabo mubetali gwakwa bari kumusiba igendo kiugo kumye bagoteana jensi gikosi kigari kweruka jensi ne kemusibete gari kumuita kuboli chango chabo bagoteana bari konyara go intervene kende hao bono bari gwakirende police echemokonye tumaye tomondo gosire akoirwe police station tali goitwa to next end yakwe
kuripotere gitaseni kia ukia gatembe kuriga sesa blockation ya boroko egotoke ward ya bomariba meje bunge ya bonchari ereterane nkoro kwa dipon asanya
Mwancho murigirira gutigana nayo na boigo oyore umuswati inyagusira papensho mukeira jairo bwe myaka 20 oyomo oyoro moroki w'obonyagitari nigo anyalete kwenegwa rituko rigoro asinsemo ya Kegogi emeye county ya Kisii nigo renge umuyiga bwa mayanda ekyagera umuswati oyiga niganyalete gusira usinigasiriti obugima bwae chinsa isano magega yo konyora umwana asichinjira cyobututukano na boigo nigo bono anyalete gutiga magega umwana umunyoroka wewikeyemo una umurikito Daniel Ontiri agotumanya
Njomo muro gatatu
umwana oyiga umunyoroka wewikeyemo kurwa chingaki cyo kuiburwa kwaye nigo era chikomubetereria achake kuria endagira atarakonga kubatikana no gukwa kwa mamu mwabo Perpetua mukira jero bw'emyaka 20 noyomo uyusiretyo bugema bwe magega yogokonywa asinye gitari konyoro mwana na magega yechisa isano agasiro bugema bwaye asomwega bwamayenda manene uyokoleka rero asensemo ya Nyansakya ime ya Kegogi kitutu cha North County ya Kisii umoroki goyiga bw'obonyagitari nigo akolerwa masabo na koenigwa umwega oikirenwa boigo numoro manene bw'obumenyi nabarai kurwase County ya Kisii
twatebanga Perpetua tarenge murwaire eteka yo mwario nebwateraneti akaya nyagitari marani nyasaka makonya biyasi chinsa sasa chia butuko akanyoro mwana oyo biya muna bato mwaga gateba akabera no mwana for 5 hours mambia kaboka chiarenganga sambiri cha mambia kalire breakfast agatebanga na igura na arosire kurina kuokorosa agatebanga tiganti mukaga igo
asa maliga manene tato mwabo nyagusira nigakwanira obwaba bwae iguru yoburendi bw'omwana oyo nonye no kugonka nechuba ataramanya buya
ona abere na magombo mwana ne grasirite na nda abandi mwe umwana oyo na musomba gakordiri bakugira chweti acha gonkonya akagira chweti uchenko na magomba manene sana akimutsabireni mutsabireni was a fat of 4 amuna fat of 3 mwe to bororo to bwate no bonene akimo tsabirani akimusabe ke ngwerere keria nyasa to boremu omwana uri ne roto ete
bea mwana na tebire pole ase family ase njogo siro mwana moke obwate birangarira bya masomo akire nyasaye naire munakare munamubangirete nababangete bakiya nere kubororo mono omwana orenge college orenge gosoma abaigori babu atogo seminary yanyare kanire ngabaruro lakini I want to believe ngarira ikariri atigarete ndire libagari omwana oyo and we will see succeed
nakiwoso bolendi bw'omwana oyiga borachikoba nkurubuterege daseni kyagatembe kuriga se county ya Kisii leterane nguruko Daniel Ontiri
Mwancho murigirira gutigana nayo nengana yendemero ekiro yabeire engana yabeire gekoreto kungusana na ogotini meyorogongo rwagusi nigo obono abande nigo obono koro ase chinsemo cha West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira omusaya umanyakanite buna Thomas Mwenga nyakoe bono anyarire kuboria kuse anyare ko rabuna nigo abiriga kuunererwa ase amang'ana y'endemero koreng'ana nere nigo abaibori baye batiganete kare ase ng'ina anyometo orwao korende ere akairana komenya naise korende goika bono nigagoteba taranyara konyora obwene bwaye koreng'ana buna omorikete Polycarp karagotumanya
koreng'ana mono musacho yoiga asirieta Thomas Mwenga oyure bwe myaka 49 kurwase kinyore kiga kiaramba nigakwarira buna bakinete kurwasa matuka magega ase ng'ina nyometo gocha senke yiga egotebekana buna isa asireta nyakoenya leso nigo batiganete yamo nomongino ya asireta Sofia Mungo oyo oswagete gochia ase orogongo rung'ao nakogenda nakurukwirita rinde eria Sofia Jemtai
boire ramba tata nyakoenya leso rambaga mama akang'anya garaika sigise arisana ginera ngaseri gukurwa 97 ese clashes na chire na rigiri tata ondebiri oboromo bono bwao ndetayoraga oboromo bono bwabo gite buna abanyakinyoro baroche ningi tutoboromo bwaito mborendete emyaka yonsi ng'aita mama akorwera nainde ache koni iga kuruku Sofia Mwango ari sigisi akuruku Sofia Chemutai Chuma ari sigisi bona gagocha gusibwero ka Sofia Mwango kakwenda sigisi ore kuche Sofia Chemutai Chuma na bamenyete igo bona akogenda ari ocha otebi tata rusieroni tata rusieroni aroira chibese tata otigara kagonya gotore chae gagwakana eroni
koreng'ana mo na Mwenga nigakwerera enchira agendere ko bwaguchandika asenga kintambe kubwatikana mono kuunirirwa kuiga kwendemero into ng'anonya goika ole marigwe asoma beroye asikirianga nigakuunirirwa na bana bamwise kumwabo abo barenga
na tware mochando bakomoigu na mbuna okogoro nimbegeire chuma bona nanye konda nare kogenda nkonyera abana bona tingo nyara omobisa okoro kumaina ore Nyamira lands nero kurusi chikoshoni chiane akwagu chibesa nomogori okoro kobuki nyareso obuki ngio kombori nje nomomura inde seito nyore yakiane omogondo igokonigu mamere nabwate ngende sigisi esako ng'anyera nje timbwati sengo genda
nonye nabo nigatebire omukebo gotema kuri yobwene kurwase bigambiro nigotara ibora matunda goika bono ase egati yabo bisaba marimo agendere ko babakomunireria asogokorekania ebine byaberega gwikia seke gambiro
nabekire caution ntangerende oboremo bokoni ng'aingochi nacha nanyore ya rusigo kingoirana nainde nabeka nainde nanyora maina nainde oitirari nainde orusiri bono ngumeti maina ng'akiagonjandera gekia noboene bwana oboremo ngotanga mboko onigu nomwando one kingotiga bokogenda ng'aingoira abana nayo naiboire nachire chindunde chinyinge abagambi mbamanyete amang'ana aya abagambi batemire gonkonye tata agoteba tindageti barasa bwone kera tatageti barasa ng'aki tokogayana amang'ana aya
bono nigasokire na kuburia serikali abaraye na goigo nekenyoro kunyaruka bagekomokonya erio omogori oyo goika bono barubiri uratkunyaruka bagakogora omogondo oyo otenenigwa egekogera tabwati asara agende na nigara omotaka omwere
nasabire serikali engonye omochumba one Steve Mogaka ngonye nondekere bunyoro kiaramba nasere tuguru sikizi nachirisa abanto baminto ngi mama kombori no tore na tata nasabire gakimongonye bantu baminto ngonye
ginko ripoteri gitaseni kya wanchite kya Katembe kuriga sekonyere kya kiaramba imeye bunga ya West Mogrange County ni ya Nyamira inchigo nkuru ku Polycarp okara
Onje omorigirira kutigana nayo abasae bekegori gya Gen Z nabo igo abakenya bari baganitie oburai obuya bobwasioku bokurume botayo nabo bamusugetie oyo kabiri mu waziri omukuru bw'oburendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i korigia ikiro ky'oburai bwensi asobochore bonene omwaka 2027 koreng'ana nekiumbe kya guse professionals owetera ase omunyakirogobo Moses Nyakiongora nigo obono omugusi aborigwe kumwakira ekoko Dr. Fred Matiang'i ochase ebisaku binde Gilbert Kobi noroboti rasinchira eng'ikirano
N'obuchoria bunene bw'ense ya Kenya bugenderete kubaugutya omwaka o 2027 kera chinsemo chiri ime yense nigo abantu n'ebisaku bagenderete kwiyarigania kurwa ogosira ase okobwatesya oria banchete orogongo rwa gusiti ruratigwa magega ase ebirundo byokoria ekirugo ky'oburayi bw'ense
kwarwa narenge meru the other day koraba kwani igoro miaka ebere tubwate nengera gotugochie mwaka oyo mo lirichikura chiatangazo na kire gento go intensify one build alliances organizing structures indekarago chakarende chi campaign tumako enda abantu bamako enda full blast
ababwatani besokirie na komwa okoboko yokabeire muwaziri w'oburendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i na nigo omubaro ogenderete komenta kera rituko Moses Nyakiungura n'omunyakirugo bw'ekiombe kia Gusii Professionals
abagusi ntoramo nande ntotagete kobamo mono kubuga buna turi obo momboro omoyo noro ibinto mire bigo chake igo byareta gwatanane kana gokeigo lakini abagusi ase baika bonsi bona iga ngorane tugukwana ngene riogi elimo
kurengana na Nyakiungura ogwesokia kwa Matiang'i no kurangirwa akorwa ase ebiroro bya Gen Z amo nerombe yende ya orogetio gutaisaneka kwabo iguru y'oburayi borobono
tebe mono buna Dr. Fred Matiang'i tingo teba na bwa sokiri wasene sogeti abantu bamurigia nye muinyorete especially chensi na abande ebaroche na omuntu tutagete obwate birengereri byeito noyo Dr. Fred Matiang'i
iguru y'omubaro bwa abaorokirie ganga yokoria ekirugo ky'oburayi bw'ense buna David Maraga na Fred Matiang'i nigo Nyakiungura goteba buna abagakagurwa sorongo rwa Gusii chigwikaransia babere eri banyane ko bakomwa koboko ori obwate omunso munene
okuburi ebirogo ebikingo ngocha bore bwareta iberera gete no bombo jugete botari torate botabwenereti igo inye babere bagotena bagaka baikaranse babange igasi nechi nyinge no mugaka Justice Maraga nabwatenere obuya bwaye Fred nabwata obuya bwaye
Nyagusira Simeon Nyachae ebiro aboretie oburayi bw'ense nigo airete ebirugo byonsi kurwa sorongo rwa Gusii yani Kisii na Nyamira buna county korende omunguso Matiang'i nigore omonene korengana na Nyakiungura
omunguso ye no le igoro kobworio Nyachae moete ne miaka ya eri nerenga miaka 23 ine miaka menge ebinto bya change abantu bagoteba dynamics have changed Matiang'i gworo seri erieta mugusio ndatanya goiko usitanya goika level ya national level asogo itabu kere kona yense nabagaka n'abantu abana abantu abanene
ogosemeria nkoro iguru y'okorigia ogosirwa kurwa isiko na omugusii kwimanya gisiasa na kwenekia oburayi obuya gokia sense ya Kenya
tebie gente getengo cha gokorande na bakogekora airo bogambia tena ngo change ndense ese nebwate potential na batoko bona chi Asian Tigers bali bagoteba
emyaka ebere yoka etigarite na emirindo ya gisiasa nigenderete kubwata ense negitariki rituko riri wagachikura no gutangazwa kumubi wikiranirwa naryo omaende burachunya kwa bokororekana uri boteregetembe TV kurwase county ya Kisii amaritane nje Gilbert Kobi
Mwanji umurigirira ase ubunjure aba bodaboda igatia abana bodaboda ane muno abo bakwa okoboko oyo manyakanete buna Bernard Orindo nabo bare abateneneri ase chi stage akoro ase chinsemo cha township ward nigo bono besokire na kugikiria riruberi abere rigotara ase mitandao buna Orindo nigo anyarirwa kwa isiko kurako bomurai we sector eyo ime ye county ya Nyamira ukwana na bariki bamangana maya chingaki banyarete gukora igikaro nigo bono banyarete kweneke buna sector eyo nigo obo eure no botoreru nabo igo kugania abana boda bandi banyare gweatanania koro ase chinguma echo nabo igo nigo basabire abana boda banyare kubwatia amachiko yepara eryo kwenekia emibasokano yechipara yanyarire gokeiwa
burayi bwaito ndubuna boda Nyamira township na Nyamira south engima mbuya bore naende gento tware kwana ngeri ngaki abantu ebinto mbirete gwete ebike ng'amarobe nara gweta gusengurwarari ebito gotanga nembe gweta ndubuna boda township burayi bwaito mbuya bore onye makosa abeire into buna bara ibe ward yose banyamira south into togocha twekaransa twasorvo mochando iyo igo monto tacha korugorwarie meteime acha kototebinga nkuburukania are boda ya itombuyere naende sisi kama viongozi wa Nyamira tuko sawa marube nare toigwete ng'akarikire gose ngoro Nairobi abwa abantu bagachiete gose nkori gose nemesori ya ching'ende bagacha na marube nara itoigwete akona gosari boda lakini akitogoteba naki nakiagararangire omokutano oyo buna chairman ye ward okwanere ebinto ebio twateba ng'a boda ya itombuyere marube ayo ntunta yegwete nande ina benga n'omonto ocheta ase akariga akarube kaya iga igo ntuna barai mbuya tolo no borai baitu mbuya bore
igo abana boda baitu bonse semore muntu ndita basa kubang'aina ku security amarube are fake letters tanda kira koleta rirube ri mubori ng'o moete abatebi ng'o moete onye tubwate president ito okurukunga mbadi na maete protocol ekero muntu amizi behavior rirube ng'agotomera nani ngakiriwikira omochairman we county
eruse yenje ntaete korakera abarundi baito ng'a mbuya mono ase eng'encho amang'ana ya echiachari achiaba minimo igo nabo ntaete kobatebi ng'a mbuya mono ase eng'encho ya oborundi obuya ande ntwabwateranire mpaka eruse yaerire bana bachieti korundi pikipiki emekoreri meke komasi kororekana gocha etown ima inche ntagete morabori oyomo ng'a ekero are omorai onye na oyo Nyamira south onagokora ekekao na abarundia gose tiganga abatebi abarundi baye embarabi abachairman baye embarabi atenenerete mobwekano Mr. Ezekia nero omochairman yeto township abachairman tobwo motobwate korumaiga nintu igo ntaete goteba ng'a oborai bwaito obore obuya orindo buna are korurogoro bore sawa onye na ebirube bikona gocha na inche mambo rero nabo ngogenda agari esaipa amori sa computer worm nabo ngo na inche generate aga document na inche kabeko mutandao ne karorekana ng'a mambo rero nero bona chairman next coming chairman we county iye tari babarai baminto tiga tutwara omosimamo onye no omomuro oyo otagete aikaranse ekero ebuse ntwamorogetie aria Uhuru Gardens agoka erioki igo bana ndekerande bataete komobeka igoro aria ntunto moganyete ebirube ebi Mr. Chairman orindo rekorie statement maata ari ng'a abamurambare bakona gotanishiwa nemu
nakorwa ase oboremi mwancho murigiri mwaziri w'oboremi na boigo amang'ana y'obotugi korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira omusubati Peris Oroko nigo bono anyare kobasegeta abaremi banyare kweneke buna basimekire chi avocado chiekerero gose hasa avocado gose hasa variety nonye nigo mwaziri oyo iga boigo anyare gotebe kaunti ya Nyamira nigo yabeire gekobasira abaremi ang'echiri 15 onemo gweterase okuba ebimeri ebichi avocado echiga fatigadi gisemba kurase kaunti ya Nyamira no roboti oro
abaremi korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo basegetirwe ase ntunda yende ase okwebwatirania n'oboremi bw'echi avocado chekerero gose ase avocado omowasiri bw'oboremi na boigo obotugi ase kaunti ya Nyamira omusubati Peris Oroko nigo atebire buna eserekari ye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo egenderete kubeka omokia ase okubabwatokera ebimeri b'echi avocado echiga ang'echiribu 15 muguchasa abaremi ba Nyamira
na pesa kwa avocado. Tufanye kilimo biashara ndio tuweze kuinuka, na county government imefanya support in the past like us seedlings. Tumepartner with Floka and we gave out 15,700 has seedlings to farmers. Tissue culture bananas, we also gave out, we are in the process of giving out 13,200 seedlings to farmers.
nonye nigo abaremi nigo basemiwe kuyorenda omutoyo iga buya wetera soko yobekera obwoyo wetugo buna chiombe chimbori nonya ne chingonde erio okene ne chinguru buna akwerera omoremi Evans Mosomi
oranje simeka noro tubwatia sanene simeka no emete 20 emete 20 na begukurageria na begwaka na bane fish na begukurageria kwakanire mariogao n'endagere ya okuri n'oburimi bwaye kero kunyerera kuyichore ndo motori orunse ochichigoro motori goko bwata obwatire amatukangana na kyora nyane ko bagoko gesa kuru avocado oburimi bwa obo bwonsi unabona moko na avocado chitu bwati cheke gusichi ne bre miake menge chika avocado na banera chinguru chigo kea ego koruki ego cheru yana chubuno kuna chichai ende yasebuka yanyore chingu kwanye bekero bwoyo yakwamba sawa korra kwane ngolino mutekero kwa chikire endoye mo sichindo ibere ene chikira ngemero kende ine bakonyora kwa kana siringi 3 go sichiringi chiri bwenye asukuru asomutoyo
Chingaki echecho nigo Irenius Kombe atebire obuya bokora oburemi oboiga nigo bokomokonya omuremi wetanga kurwase erioma nariegenga asengenjo omuremi oyoiga nabwo atebesa ase omubuko oye.
Highlights the vital link between gender-based violence and economic empowerment through agriculture. Aims to strengthen households and create a safer and more resilient community, not economically only, but also socially.
Hingo ripota Gatembe korwa igasironga ogichora West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Jeff Atigad Yesemba.
Na kurase wizara y'obucheno abananchi kusabamenye kurase kaunti yo ya Nyamira nigo banyarire basemigwe banyare kwenekia buna beso kiri nabo igo gusokia abana babo koyo wachi chanjo erigo kinya ubunyamasi bw'emibere yabo ukona asigikaro ekyo kyanyarite kubaretamo ababwatani koro ase sector Munyagitari oyo teneneta mangana chanjo kurase kaunti ya Nyamira Hailene Ikirubo nigo bono anyarite kwenekia buna chanjo chiraroro cyanyarire gocha chinya nabo igo kuboria abamenyi banyare gwesokia na koreta abana babo gusekwira abana babo ase Chinyagitari ase obonge banyare ko chinyora Polkapo kara norovotioro
Nigikaro egyo kyabaretamo ababwatani ao gucakira abagambi abalimu abaraibe chikanisa abo bisabali bobochenu bali abamenyetamo noborema egati yabaraibande kurase ebinyoro ao abo bachire bunenchire ya muyogo semigwa obuya n'obwaita we ejanjo
ekiagera yarorekanire buna ase county yetu ya Nyamira abana bambali gocha chanjo buya asirimia gose percentage tobwategere nsemono nase igo twarora buna abantu mbabwenerete batebi buna nkikiagerire gose tumanye nkikiagerire korwa sabantu abaminto abatokobwatera negasi
korengana muno Munyagitari yo tinete echanjo imeye county ya Nyamira sereta Hairene Kerubo igo agendre ko bagakorera mwachi chanjo njiro cyakire chinya ejo korengana muno abanenje kurwase county ya Nyamira bagwenete kwene kibuna ngo betabale abana babo erigo tanga amarwire nabigo gotinya ubunyamasi ebwakira umwana
nere buya abana baito baletwa se clinic Chinyagitari chito chionsi tobwate Nyamira chigo kuruchira mangana chanjo sinane ji chikorwe ufuri ndorigo church kendions Chinyagitari chito chionsi cha Nyamira twanyarire tokomenta mariogande unabono typhoid vaccine ikonyora teyo ya mentulero yegendrete kwa nanwa Chinyagitari chito chionsi cha Nyamira County asa abana babwate mitinyi kyanda nechi chinde cha konyora tobwate bune ya PCG iye gutanga uburere bwa TB tobwate ya polio iye gutanga uburere bwa polio boli bwa wokoreto obarema tobwate yende ko tanga mariogo muna ya tetanus ayo gokorora na measles iye kurukunga umukururo tobwate sindani ya bana bakubetwe semitinyi kyanda ige sindani ya chenya ya typhoid ekobetwe semitinyi kyanda ekobetwa mona sindani ya measles
wikabono nigo batebire na okwena na we chanjo imeye county Nyamira nigo kolinse kyandike komi ase korengana muno batebire nigo bole emerongo kyanda igoro yemya ase abanenje kurwase county ya Nyamira agendere ko bakuburwa wesoke bunenjire ya muyo kwenyolera echanjo yiga ebira bakonye kwenekia gokinia ensega ya Kenya
ntutegetie abantu baito banagotwara ichitangutangu ng'ana oborogi ibagerio utikabaira abana Nyagitari batiga mang'ana yokona gotwara ichitangutangu na mwana worogi rugoseki karo mwana anyorete amarioga isaine igagokina buya nande kara kinire buya nonye no gosoma kwayo gokoba buya kara naye nyoti chanjo kisaine igekara abantu bachire Nyagitari nkonyora bari ng'a amarwaire ngweti ngotangware nari abana bagukina boronge noe na abantu abanene twamana konyora afya engiya na ense engiya ebwate chinguru egokora buya
ning'ana koreng'ana amo nababwatanya biga baikire na asa iga bagendere ko bagosegeta abanenchi bande kwenyorera echanjo yiga ase bari baramenyete amo noborema bagendere ko bakoburia abo ibori bari babwate abantu babanyete noborema kwene kibunango basoke bari unechire yamo yo kwenyorera chichanjo yiga ili bamenye amagima unabande.
Tunapofanya hamasisho hii, kuna kundi hili letu la watu wanaoishi na ulemavu ambao kwa wakati mwingine huwa ni kama wanasaulika wakati mambo kama haya yanafanyika. Naomba wazazi na kila wae yote ambaye iko na mtoto akujie hii chanjo.
Iginko ripoti rigetasini kia ubonjete kia Katembe kurugiga imeye kaunti Nyamira inchi gongoro kwa Polycarp. Okara
Mwancho murire umukonyi w'umugambi w'ensemo isub location ya Nyamware ase location ya Kiumbu rituko regoro nigubono anyarete gukora ebarasa ase kinyoro kiari omweri ime ye location ya Kiumbu ase anyarete kuro okubulia guchase abamenyi b'ensemo yo yari omweri kubwa mono abagaka banyare koba nabo igokweneke buna amarwa ayo abeirega kakwengwa gusekonigwa ase ensemo yo anyarire koba kagusirigwa rimorioka ase bono anyarire kurwa eira yogocha kuimukia igitambukiro gocha igitambukiro gitinde gocha se baria baratoke bagendete gukora ubonchoreria bwa marwa nechinga kichicho abamenyi bechinseme cyo cyari umweri nigo banyarite usanga ibirengerero byabo nabo igo batebanaki amaru anyarire kuba engai ase chinseme cyo anomono komentekana kwebikorwa byobo ibi
goru mwao gari nimba tuno bwato obole muri bwao lakini genda okole bintu ebi nao kwatana na pombe omwana inji tinda jambo kole lya matoko chuti yonje tinda ni mwana wewe ne mwenu ndo wana ina ndaboro tendo sija marwa ayo mwali ngaki mwogo kwana mino ime rati kabantu wakwana mino ime nyangao mino tole ya kwa bwa no mugaka tata mane chande ya motu wa shiro gukora
nke amangana ali alenga ali ndoche mugambi ayali yukabona ali kina bakane tinga tinta gitikaro ikiagara na ndeteni bakonyore serikali muna gwakwa nakarenga ki karokenda na bebata kurugo konya kubega ono rindi kirege ntotiage cheneke unogenda gototerigo abantu bagenda Kiumbu ali stogotoka tokorega ashye igo
mwalimu usitigango tige tanya ko mutuge serikali tanya ko bekwechi video ayenga kyogoteba ayo ayena omumuro monene wankwa inkyo goteba maru ali ali mine muchiye ino
nkibona yento ndatebe neki amarunta biju akaranga itu
tigawo totabigere ngoro
bana amarua amarunga nyugwari tatika bono igongo teba yani kurume yani adia kareka murane kama nakareka abo mine tigangende ntebe igona ngese barasa y'umugambi amarua alia kaki aliaro onganjiro mugambi airwa na alia asire
nimesema nimekuambia enda hiyo pombe nisisikie wewe
achiasire
kila mmoja ambaye yuko hapa nisisikie hiyo pombe
aliare ime
kama unataka
Mwancho murigiria soroboti oru no ngukorera ensemo yikionga chinsa chabona mambe korende kirongo kendase omutimo kumuke nekiro ndache kwirana ninche kurigerera gati abari basangira udumbe chabo guteiga ase studio kero turachikorana na mienda sam kurigerera narari ali agende twatika ase chinsemo korende kikoraga chinsa ibere chalero mambe nchecho kwanera amangana yabasaye nabo igo chigasi chamaboko nabo igo chigasi chogotumeka nonye ebiego igo tobosa gusika kendera kubwati omurobere gafetwani agetembe buna ebiro bigenderete gusika
Superstores nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka ucyase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njane gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asichinse mubuna outside catering. Asimeyega buna chinyangi chionze, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankwena nabare obukoreri asichinse muboyego buna decorations, chi ebirogo chimesa chikeke nabo igonkuru barobo koreribwa public address system diubago tokambarabari ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo samange bakresi myase namba 0797119986 Riziki Caterers ubwansu bwendagera.
Mama Rosa. Jirani. Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyo mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua. Ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshinda nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikii hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa uwokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best niko babire bako wenya amarwire au ayuwa gendre ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis uburwire bwo mugongo watya ulcers amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande niko bako batukubu wenya buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero niko bagutuka imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho Ouru Towers rirongo lya kabere iyo irangene bengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best. gotanga mbuya kobwa kugwenia
ngoro mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
okorra tindi bobe
obo mano one kero gwacha ono gotarangwa konyaro tano no goikaransa ngwaro konyaro goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore senya getari ya no kapesti
nande nkimwacha konkori nyagitari kaki oruti na itana ni guti nyagitari kumanyika na mente kaki abana bane uchisindani ntungiro gutungu ni gombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka nyagitari yitu nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera samari ko itana no daya monto menya buno ikaranse kana mari ko ikaransirete amaryo kana rago konya go swa senjera yo mubere erinda go konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara ko tara mo yali ndialete amaryo kana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyoro sami kiyera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka yo ni kubuya igesi ndwe nyagitari yitu ya no kapesti nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyinga nduri ko bekera macho ndo se mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera senjera yekerero aso gutumeka chimashini chito chiekerero cha nuga peste mugaka
buya mole
안녕하세요. egena nyasaye tumia nuga peste ebintu binde byonsi tiga na nyasaye wekata kurai omenye naenda kwebuya nobusale nobwato muberogo bwere tena kaira bayibuli banetenwek kera mitini ndoto na tabe tuwe clinic kyo mugaka ne kyo mongena na bahira tenwek kurumba golera machine ye mati nanya ko bahira clinic ya arthritis igongo bahira tuwa clinic riyo korana manyinga bara manyinga buyare ndo buyebe mwaka na wabo chaga urani uyana agocha bwe
Nugabest inchu naye bwenekerie obugwenia bwekene Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokoneria ebinto aserigori erianse kegema asetauni ya busongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirugo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemo ya cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bare soda juice asensemo elia hardware koni bare power saw generator piano amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboyigo asensemeri ya stationery koni bare geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikram calculator rubber toy semoyende nkoni bali tissue papers savet chidapa sanitary towels toothpaste karuteri kwiba toothbrush boygonkoni bali fridge agirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratera ebintu gurite asolsao wika asure asorgongo ronsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo building ange na smart lady aigasi roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana no director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na maburi ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga no nyorobu wenia bwa marwire amange abuna amarwire yisukari amarwire yinda amarwire yomogongo na yandi amange.
We call your prostate. No borwire bwa sumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Na kiborwire bwe sukari bo so mobero goime. Hypertension no borwire kera manyinga ko gende igure so mobero. Walfiti itosomete chinchereza to choko ya marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngende nga conventional medicine. Yani unyagitari obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngende nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko rwari amarwaire. Nchirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari amarwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marigiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu room 307A. Ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit L Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare injara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare injara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Karibu sana na ndio mwancho murigire kero tugenderete ase umurobere iga umurobere ogwitwania gatemberi tukiriga neri ya Jumatano mienda wakire
biye sana
ase amangana abasaba saya kuranga lero bakirite
bana mata basa togo demonstrate from morning paka evening kiralitiko and there's no impact, and if there is maybe abako realize nabake na lakini imbakire tubatie mitandao no mwatenga kawaida lazima bagendere kolika aso gukirelio gi maybe but so mtandao imbakire by the rigijingo chare
ko bangire ko aliga ni omoro
rigijingo chare by the I saw some other people arguing we have been peaceful the time rigijia tarengo wana na ndengo igolengo chakole ko abductions abantu bakule you see, but it's all about politics in a very good, it's all about propaganda and accusations. The funny thing about the Kenyan politics in for you to prosper in your political career ko or accuse your opponent ko bomonto ke tomobe esa itani gete ko ikomo taint ko ikomo kolia marieta ke tomoroka marieta gete for you to korokana buna like igore lira ikagete, so it's normal kero tukugunga bono we have been peaceful like rigijio chire bono noise inkobero that is it, that is the politics.
Nere kago tubaka tumeke ground ekibuya attention
Yeah.
eri bono iga anyare konyora baka tumeke ebuya
Nando ma rigiji is very daring by the way kilio rengera tinga bono na kigeko chikumuita ikiri bono kia utumeka
against you.
Against you. So rigiji no monto for the time abere asa siasa especially ngakia abere arura asa serikali. We have known who is Rigiji now, kerare outside the government. Actually, you can tell nga tariko goseka. Ni garo mondo rio ko kwana ngo kwana na ande kilio bwetenga nkomo gosekere kiriwo na kiago agotumeka na ande go fight back. So as it may, if there will be noise, and then it is not unnecessary noise, political noise by the and which is very normal in our country. Buna bano tutabenga, for example, Mugaka Raila Odinga tari asa serikali, you could be making noise. So it's a noise to analyze. Igonga abantu wana tika prepare for the noise.
Ndio giri nyerere digi yalitabwati usedi ya siasa ndia nyako baigia.
Ya siasa ndi bwate command yete. Mwataba na siasa na abantu kora gutena gukwana. I know you have got even the empowerment programs check and right. Karaba na siasa bagutena gukwana bale bakebintu kete tokuruka nga ambiguous. Some statements are ambiguous. Sometimes ogotema kuchi interpret onye turi omuntu ore very keen ando tariko otabwati birengere libe you will think otherwise. So that is the nature of our politics in our country.
Na umona chivi no monene Martha Koome na nyarite gukwana rigoro yubo tumikive mitandao ekira wote banga bone ge mitandao ya tumikire bube kusari rita ribigambiro anda kino nyare gutabirana nengane kyagira abana chivi nampale babere bako ba trolled online okuri ba ukwanwa bube kuse judiciary yenyene gukurigeria abawakili abantu mbale babere asensemeyo babere bako irwa chimbero sana se wetera se mitandao.
You see, I can agree. I want to agree in a statement, Chief Justice Lady Martha Koome, kwa sababu not only the judiciary, you can tell and you can witness, including even the president, including even the legal libuna keroto atwara okungusana na kati ya Tanzania na Kenya on some issues. Kwa rabuna ba kora Samia, the president of Tanzania. The president is a time ba mubegete in a casket. So that is something that of which is very true by the na no manenga emitandao tumekere bobe sana. Kuna bono look on look at the statements tokonyora kurwa so mtandao of which is not even true. Even our own station by the kwanyora ngabantu bari getaga statement bari ke babeke logo and then babeke bicha y'umuntu. So emitandao ero asabona iga I want to confirm nga maNP ngutumekere asobobe.
Lakini abantu abange bali bagutumike mitandao useneke bali ekiga. Abasaye na ubara abange.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, and andake millennials, but I think millennials mkongo control bale in some way.
Millennials they are the just
nanda bange babomba bwate gasti yake.
Lakini nabonyoranga lakini nabonyoranga they are the best consumers of the Gen Z.
Usena bagu baba chi victim mara.
Nabore chi victim number 1, number 2 millennials nabore the consumers of the what Gen Z are doing.
Bago so basoma barangi kera
basuka busi mate millennials ya bango konyoranga they are working class miaka yabo when you consider miaka yabo
and very composed
miaka yabo andake nere menenake either bare gasi lakini mbaro millennials batabwati bado who are behaving like Gen Zs. There are some millennials who are behaving like Gen Zs, especially bali towards the age area yuko ikiara Gen Z. But all in all, they are the best consumers of the online media. And that's one regards to you cannot control the online media. By the way, online social media, look at the way into bigo korekana. Even the mainstream before tutaranya oranga egento kiabere. Lero iga social media wakoreki wakenyo. It's only that you have to be very careful, like weko confirm nga again they kama ene kiabere maite media they can report anything. I remember there's a time umugaka moi
lakini kubwati media ki singincho kirotogrio especially mainstream kote ma
the social I'm talking about the social
media ro abakonyora kindi yose.
I remember there's a time omugaka moya tarasiri obugima bwae, but we saw some people writing that was real obugima bwae, including Chebukati.
Lakini do you know that nga rumors chinyingi chigo chichiatare mitandao okonyora nga abantu mbwate umuntu nabwate information gete abantu botabwati egento mbiro okonyora bamanyete abaraye gose abakenya batamanyete konyora nga magana konya gosoka ngora eventually wacha konyora
ne konyete in some way, lakini naro the biggest share. It's not bad to have social media. Social media nengia, by the way, it has connected people globally. Like today, you can talk with someone who are US within just some few. Morega mogo kwan, unlike kare. Now it's an online, it's a global village. Like we are connected from everywhere. Abantu ba somere whether social media. Squeeze maite. Na wagonyo romonto. I graduated from Cambridge University. Lakini lakini agarengi online through online. It's only that abantu ba yetumekire bobe. Mbale bako yetumeka bobe. But bono you can tell nga enya sole una bagoteba ne bwata medicine of value. What if we opt to make the only medicine of value? It means enya sole is good, right? But there are those who misuse it. Are you seeing? So nothing that like the social media.
They do comment kendi yonse singa sore na
no, enya sole ne bwata medicine of value.
Tindi bonya kitari tinapi.
No, according to medics, enya sole ne bwata medicine of value. Ne bwata medicine of value. Lakini medicine of value in that kerego tumeka nkokonyere kurwaria no na marweregete. But bono botumeki obwae in terms of smoking and even doing whatever, no bone go chat where we draw the line. Correct? The same thing to social media. It's good social media. It has connected people. Social media is there to make things easier. Kwanyora information from everywhere. Lakini bono, there are those elements now who misuse that to give false information. Go defame abantu, kokora what we call impersonation. I remember there's
pseudo accounts
and all those conning people, including even the data bundles by the way. Gari na say a page ya Facebook. So social media is not bad. It's only that how do you use it?
Nchiraki oko yetumeka. Na tukuri yomura iwense maske William Ruto na boigona wabunge. I think mbabwate ikemina no gete boniga kimina no ngerigia chakiro mutu tutara kore kiga gia chan ipeli asoire asensi yakenyo kurigere bunge na serikali enene koranga nchira nirba chakire gutwara
okungusana. Okay, for me let me interpret it politically. When I look at the whatever is happening, we have had issues chuo kwana na mangana broad based. Tuwatoa reo tera kwa 2-term and 1-term, correct? Politically, for me, I feel like in one way they are driving their attention towards another thing, politically. But again, if there's an issue from the statements we hear, I can't say that is politically. Politically, it's just like driving our attention to elsewhere. 2-term, 1-term, broad-based, correct? But going with the statements, and yesterday, I'm very keen what happens in our parliaments, both the Senate and the National Assembly. Before I watched the proceedings, Chair Parliament, as Naro Chawabunge Bago complained sana, I had an opportunity to carrying a public accounts committee ya Senate. And the first thing before they scrutinized or governor we county ya Nandi Tacheti by the way akufika umonto gete no yo kitui Julius Malombe. The senators took the opportunity, the committee members wakakwananga the powers they have as a Senate to call the governors within their reach, especially Kekoba drone Kurwase national, the constitution. And we had by there's a time court here interpreted Yagatavanga, Senate ne water powers, joke summon any governor, Koligiringa, Naki, even to be in Kanase County, especially when we are talking about issues of Nakichibes. Then I saw the chair, Yokurukwa Moses Kajwang. The Senate has powers and there's no debate about whether the Senate will call the governor or not. So the governors be prepared to be called. Actually, the sang na wente goika, and including Julius Malombe, Royo Kitui. So, you see Raila is the pioneer. They are the people who brought the 2010 constitution. If Raila Odinga is trying to note the shortcomings, the gaps Chiabere created between 2010 and Pakabon, then Raila is right. But if he is criticizing out of like these people looks like maybe they are not working,
Take
then
over
it's
of
an important
goodwill.
question. Yeah.
You got take over.
Take over good. If he's criticizing that they don't have any work, then you must abolish for senators.
Yes.
For senators not to be there, it means you must abolish counties. But much as we have the counties, you cannot rubbish away the Senate.
Aba senator ambara ororo. Anentoka nitena miende engane yuko.
Ene nargo clarifying. Abantu bano go bago koligereria we say they were just responding to what is happening. And then tocha sejo abajumbe na rura saba senator. Abajumbe na barombalengo. Including the majority leader. Actually, they are even telling the speakers to summon the president. I don't know. Whether the president can be summoned. The only person who is even protected is only the president. I don't know whether the Senate and the National Assembly never had the powers. I think I'll seek consultation. By tomorrow, I've told people whether it can be summoned. In fact, if you cannot bring the president, you will impeach the board speaker. So, I don't know.
Kwanira yumienda ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo yitiko riarero egotawanga Ruto achokoza nyuki. Wabunge wasusia kikao cha asubuhi. Maseneta wataka spika agize rais kufika mbele yao kufafanua madai. Madai ya Ganarali. Wabunge na maseneta walionyesha hasira za wazi kufuatia kauli ya Rais William Ruto kuwahusisha na ufisadi na wakasusia kikao walichopanga kujadili miswada muhimu ya serikali jana asubuhi. Bunge la Kitaifa likikatiza kikao chake cha asubuhi kwa kukosa idadi ya kutosha ya wabunge licha ya kuwa na ajenda muhimu za serikali. Epeji ya kabiri gazeti ni ya Taifa Leo. Igobono nekiroba kubolenga omo seneta yani ava seneta ava kubolia omo speaker.
Yeah, that's why I was saying you I intend to confirm whether the Senate, even including the both houses, was what the powers show someone more president. Actually, in the morning, a count Karengo. According to
Anya alikuwa ndirenga nkahi andake abaiga ba bwatrani tu wasobukurumi mbarabia.
Now that he's saying an amite.
Might.
And you know, it's very ironical. I was asking myself, how would the president and we have had allegations
executive kubwatoka chibesa emiswada gitetiwe asobwango mono
kwa sababu I remember mujumba naro kurugusiga o confess ya tabanga twaba golere chai especially twabwate issue of Azimio tabanga twaba golere chai pamanya ko twakero muswada I think no iwe chibesa rengi. So you see the president so then it means how soon again take corruption yabone takete korokananga negen take beke korekananga. It's not business as usual, it must be business as usual. So the president must have the link na maitenga bantaba barabiaba and ankarongo respond yo tabanga na bete menchirago to fight corruption. And I saw many Kenyans asking how comes. You remember, Matilda, we had a report that the president is ranked as the second most corrupt. You remember? Tokogere report here. And then people were asking, how comes that he is now the second corrupt in the world and then he's fighting corruption? Abunaba Kenya. And I was trying to look at that event.
Yes.
The under about the National Assembly. So they were discussing the issue, the president should substantiate. Evidence nero ekoro kinga mainepi these both houses involved in this corruption. So for me, if it's not a political thing to divert attention yaba Kenya then if it's true, let the president come clear. If he's fighting corruption, let him come and say the allegations. Let him, for the first time, the largest elephant of corruption affected with corruption the small fish. Let us see the big fish. In fact, a well was a wall. Gose dolphin, tigantu mukino ne dolphin,
Whale.
A whale. Torore ke bwatire. If there is a leader, if there is a CS, if there is a parliamentarian or involved in this corruption, let us see them being arraigned in court. And the the legal process you have taken, on your car guilty, abe could behind the bars. We shall be happy. By the Kenyans will be happy. Koranga monto keto manene go bwati runande allegations siapo chia corruption. It will be a very important thing.
Ntobwate ekiro tukwanire county government ya Kericho o seneti kujadili governor leo maseneta kuamua mfumo watakaotumia katika kesi ya Dr. Mutai. Asema na impeachment ritko rero mugano yora page ya kabere nabo igukwanira Judicial Service Commission yatakasa mwilu yatupa ombi igoro yokurusigwa aikoigati yabana chiebina ekiombekeria Judicial Service Commission ikyanyare gutuguterare chi petition echo nabo igo mwana yora page ya kane gazeti ya Taifa Leo na kero mtandao wa tiketi ukikwama. Mtandao wa kuuza tiketi za CHAN wakwama baada ya dakika chache. Igoro litukore igoro I think mienda nkwaroche egati ya mashabiki ari atemete kugura tiketi cyomo umupira bwenko yogo cyo wakwa litukore ya Ijuma egati ya timu ya Harambee Stars na bwego Madagascar. I think a website you ya limit for some time.
Actually Montanaro
disappoint abake. Yes.
Montanaro tumegete orose Montanaro orose website. Akarose website akaonichi ticket fake
8 million
it was around 8 million. Akarose pesa akasieke website. So Kenya is guys who take advantage of everything. Hapa Kenya n'abantu gete bare tigante bana bangaini lakini rendo bangaini wambo dirbo exit. When I look at when we have demonstrations, abantu bare demonstrations lakini abantu bare bakorosie besa. Mutonaro wochanechi sirimbi. Mutonaro wochanechi mask, mutonaro wochanechi bandera. So people like taking advantage. So someone has taken an advantage of the CHAN ochire mpaka orosire website akonichi ticket orosirie nibo. One muntu utima itinga kiago cha
Oswa geti echibesa chinke. Anyway, mugano yugora sepeje 13.
I could have wished to remind abantu about the issue of Eric Mutai, the governor of the impeached governor of Kericho. Nataka kwenye abantu you see ntobwate chi process for impeachment. The Senate can either decide kwa ende plenary and bonsi so they select a committee of 11 members abara chikoligerelie a committee the impeachment case of Dr. Mutai. So, first of all, the impeachment motion must be notified in 2 days, or notify the Senate. It's not looking about allegations, no which way. Is it the plenary? The committee
special kamati special. Ndipo iko Burkina Faso yatimua afisa wa UN. Hii ni baada ya UN kutoa ripoti iliyoelezea dhuluma watoto upitia nchini humo. Ekiro tukurigeria ekiombeki kiobombo bwechinse gose United Nations nkora bwatoka bare chiripoti chinga kichinde so chiripoti njiro konyara bakubwatoka igoro bunabona mangana ya abana bake kunereriwa korende mbanyara gosokyo roboti getero korete bichembe ase kurwa senseri ya Burkina Faso ndochabona ense ya Burkina Faso yanyarete ko seri abo bisa ba UN kurwa ense yabo. Anyway mwancho muligeria kutigana nayo na se gazeti ya Daily Nation yeritko eriga ariarera gote MPs a bribery scandal crisis bwate bicha omoske William Ruto abo ekirewa lingana linene ligote MPs a bribery scandal crisis action Whatever president tasks the multi-agency team to fight corruption and economic crimes. Nebwate aiga amangana mangi kusengu kwa nrevinte vinge sana mienda. Asa amangana aiga ya bajumbe kubwata maaki. Whatever crackdown president forms multi-agency team on war against corruption, sabotage, furious MPs a cripple house business and a paralyzed committee in show of defiance. umaite integitagani umuraipo insotevire nkorosi yale gosoro siri etimu embo kegima yokurwania obukurumi Mama kanyara ababunge batebire gose banyari gutanga miroberi yatigire kugenda bunge ekiagera batagete umurai wense ikaranza batebinga nkika go basaririe leta.
You see, in parliament is the only place ora kwane gente kebepi lakini to bwatiko. By the way, that's the funny thing about parliament. Nabora kwane gente nabora defame monto in parliament nabora akole gente kebe, but that authority by then go protect here. You see, and this is where I've seen whereby maybe we might be having unity of purpose.
Yes.
Whereby
I got know about unite.
You see, the only time you will see MPs coming together, Abuaro is what we call the unity of purpose. Abuaro, the issue of Azimio, the issue of Kenya Kwanza, the issue who is defending them, who is not. Abuaro is what you call we the MPs. When you find out in environment, but accept the status. When the statement was Kasudia without a bang na mine over Kurminko, like in Taliban Beyonce. Are you saying, you know, a statement Oscar Sudinga, Barova correct? So Oscar Sud is trying to confirm that indeed the parliament Jumbe. In Chibona Saba govern when we have an impeachment motion. That there's a kit gocha, Egereng Aba senator maybe correct, mo impeach. But there's allegation that we had 150 million being disbanded as Secretary of the Senate. Are you saying those allegations? You go lose trust with Saba Kenya. Let me tell you, they are the leaders. Aba Kenya by entrusted thing again, but if that leadership what issues, then what do Kenyans look? So I want to believe if there's a clause, by the way, we have a clause that there is a point a president can be summoned. Let him be summoned and give the clear name singer and what involved in this issue. It's so and so, by the way. It will be very important. At least that is the aside from create a committee that they go fight corruption. Let him be an example of corruption by coming and naming them. I reckon example.
An example of corruption.
I our king, yani in a way of fighting corruption. Let him be bold enough.
Backlash. Lawmakers threaten speakers with no confidence votes to force them to act. Now we got prosecution raising calls for the president to submit evidence to charge rogue MPs. Now we got retaliation. MPs vow to exercise their power on budget cuts to hit back at executive.
That's what you're saying now. And then you just imagine what was the expectations, Matilda? Mukutano tuwate ODM Kenya Kwanza. Of course, the signing of the MOU was ODM UDA, but the other day, tuwate ODM Kenya Kwanza. Gosina roje no Sabina Shege, no arenga alio mkuru Jubilee, and also leaders from every political party. So that's why we think ODM Kenya Kwanza. So what was the expectations here umukutano lia orengegari? Go yaringinga go bago cha maybe bataye muna bago chikokore gasi bago chikokora emere mamo ngakibago chikobanga emerobeli yabo, but it turns out that ekabanga chaotic. That is why for me in Chesami yenda as a political analyst, for me in one way I doubt the
Story journalist bono.
Political journalist. A political journalist.
Okay.
And a political journalist, a political analyst.
Okay.
From the point of a political analyst, the kind of journalism, that mkutano was a diverting attention towards I doubt whether the fracas whether they are genuine from a political analyst view. But from a political journalist, we expected actually Togani, Tochiko Kolemere Mamo, Nini. But you ask yourself, Avanavanto, Paringali wants people Kwan. And how come singer, when we are having an issue, we have chaos with the president. How?
Yeah, agenda vale go set.
No. It's only the agenda they were setting from the political analyst side. But
na wige vichere musibu gazeti yiga ya Daily Nation ni ya governor we county ya Kericho o Dr. Eric Mutai got senators a vote on trial of Kericho governor mugano yoko yenyorase page ya 5 na 2 asomugano ibwa bajumbe kungsana kati yumraivense na boigo bono ababunge nigore page ya 4 na boigo ya 5 House scramble for Harambee Stars a match tickets a crashed online portal a portal ritkurigoro niko yarengense gose yanyarete kugwase chinsa chinkeigo ekiagira abakenya bange nigo barigetie kugura ticket gwetira senchera yo mutandao na omancho murigire ina ali ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation eritko riarero na gotikana nayo ase gazeti ya The Standard egota log in their eyes who's more corrupt Ruto's tirade against MPs has been branded sheer hypocrisy. The executive wrote dwarfs the spec in parliament, from dodgy tenders at KEMSA to substandard fertilizer, crippling farmers to harsh oil import deals. The scandals trail in his administrations like a shadow. I think ase magana ukwande raiga mienda ase gazeti ya The Standard nige kupuringa andake hypocrisy ekororokana bonega bose irony no nyana na kwateba aba kero muntu akumetina kimuraivu nsina ndago chaka koteba nga abantu gete na bwa bakurumi abantu gete na bakurumi ekero kuri yobuna bono kurwa mangana akorekanete KEMSA scandal tia KEMSA to kuria mangana yoboyo
by the way, let me tell you, Matilda, let me remind you something.
Even his earliest handouts at churches and stadiums clocked as generosity, reek of patronage politics. For many Kenyans, the president has squandered the chance to make corruption a high-risk venture, as promised. Instead, his finger-pointing has exposed a government gorging on the vice it condemns. And all this time being urged on by his bosom friend Raila Odinga.
Let me remind you, Matilda. You see, internet, Google, they say, doesn't forget. Again, don't get to call reputation. Yani reputation inchensa mienda. Ebicha nenero. Yani ngenda sigete ebicha. Again, don't get ochanga ki oyonsa mienda igari gana. I want to ask you, what is the reputation of William Ruto from other politicians? Starting with his wonderful friend Raila Odinga. I know one can be born now, and you can confirm Raila Odinga has been the first man who has been talking about Ruto, who is a corrupt man. Kuru the other regimes, Unaro Moibi, Paka to histories from Narenge, Minister of Agriculture, and all those. Raila Odinga Yoiga, who now they are dining together, is the same person who has tainted the reputation of Muraibu and so on, William Ruto. Naigaro Mwibi, Kurua Mwibi Wechibesa, Mwibi Wamaremo, Mwibi Wasinuiwaki. So, this is the same president who is talking about corruption. We have been told by the political class that Naigaro Mwibi.
Bono ekero kuligira a log in their eyes. Yani ekero likurugute ngaki kotera kuliko goteba nga rusi igechuni rusi likurugute lila se lisori yao
ebu kweko teba kara rusi igechuni kire lisori yao na choko chikurusi kyo igechuni kire
ese lisori yao ne likurugute ile kubwa ndi uko nayo kwa jicho lako lakini okero kuligereria kwaroraga chuni agantaka ke oseke moegeke Debuna ande ndege swali batavanga nyani au niko
bono na kinko boli meki how it's ironical. That's why from my point of view I doubt the genuine of these allegations. By the way, I don't see any genuine in these allegations. One day we have a meeting of this. Unless aroga ko basoki, I will end my doubts. Ako basoki ako tinangate banga. Bono nyarebe. These are the people who are involved in this. Lakini tu in atakaliba yo Muraiben. So let me tell you, Matilda, apart from normal human being, apart from human being, I cannot take my frustration I bring it on screen. There's a way ngaki iga one nega sin. You cannot avoid kobo muraiwense in the expense of someone nako kechi ngabono chekaiga on a front camera ocha go tebo muntu allegations stay.
Anyway,
so if the president knows that there is corruption in his government, let him be bold enough.
I just Muski William Ruto no monto mongai.
If that's why
everything is possible. Asare.
Monto mongaini. Onyoro mongaini. Whatever he say.
Iko na manyite kia kwanete na na matinga kia guchigutabu kio nyene segia chagete gutinga ndaba jumbe iko na manyite sero chigochi. Anyway,
that's why I'm telling you it's all about diverting our attention as Kenyans. At least you have indicated.
Now we go as a gazette ya People Daily. Let's take the war to them. Okay, kwate ebichera abo ne abajumbe nabo igumura ebwense gakubaraga ebyara. I think nere nero ne chikatuni chirase gazette ya People Daily. Obosi we gazette ya People Daily ne chikatuni chiraro. Let's take the war to them. MPs are irritated that President Ruto has labeled them corrupt, yet an array of leaders think the head of state is equally guilty.
By the way, naro chicken bekiunga
anda ke bichera
omonda ate chibesa otaigit paranga na mwadi chibesa taigit by the
chiende bunge
according to yani the doubts we are having maybe
and then abeko bana attention bago divert
it's attention
ekero kurigire buna bona mangana buna bona ibintu byakora ne kurwa homa bay yorigire chibicha gusenjira abantu bagendete konyora amabaga imeye serikali enjira naruti nandasa umutanda ultimate gusengane igaya linke okay naruti bichagete ganga umuski kimani chunga gotebanga gesa ODM mwenyara gosoi ya serikali akaragana ngari na temo kuikera umuraibu nsena beko bakongo
I'm trying to find
abarai kurase ODM rero niko babwate sei kusipa bwato kubwa sana wagzese umuraibu nse kubwa nonya basai bapo
umenyete Matilda engakine I want to go practically abatinda verify statement yeli maite a good clip ya Kimani Ichung'wah speaking na bekoreto umaine with the tinda verify yandiriri manyenga goseno umaine still I'm in doubt of that statement na nyero no ninche tatigarende tindanye
tindanye ne bwate ibintu byonse na nabo kubekera amangana somo no
tindanye amini bono ntage torigereri na setup nero konyoranga umuchino ro konyoro umwana aroyomo. You see, how does the parent view this child? A very precious thing. Attention yonse PRS umwana ye keregento igokera so umwana yani keregento umwana oyo nagosa na nchira ko punished yekoba so soft lakini look at a family where we have abana bangi
kero muntu akwirwanira
even oyo orenge bweka omomentero omuntu
agochaka
kufeel
for the fittest
agochaka kufeelinga there's a competition. Even the parent doesn't now attend to me my daddy dioro ya omo kwa attention yonse dio yonda achire attention ande nkora ngobere divided bono Ichung'wah igare buna if the statement is true Ichung'wah igare buna omwana orenge bweka lakini bona abana
bandi ko ligia kurasa umurai wense attention yarengo
ari wenjo benefits Jones P lakini bona abandi baachire na barobata kete the same benefits he was enjoying alone now they will be divided. Are you seeing? If the statements that the ODM kuriacha umurai wense takubwata simia lakini I'm in doubt of this statement. How comes oyonero umurai the majority leader
who is confirm
ndra confirm but I'm trying to imagine if it is true umurai wense you cannot unlink the majority leader umurai wense kwa sababu who spearheads the agenda ya national government in the parliament? The majority leader.
Yes.
So everything that is happening on a daily basis, especially in parliament and even including the party, it's all about the majority leader. So the statement tindanya nyora buya, that's what I'm telling you.
Lakini
I'll confirm.
Isigo ikaransa kurigera siasa ya Kenya and na kurigera kwa ranga maine abara ba ODM kesaba service
by the
enjira nere bayimokirire iguru rero babwate chinguru rigera ngobuna na nyomo waziri bwekiganje ge serikali rero John Mbadi muske John Mbadi
Mbadi kwanza taje beba kwanza Mbadi bono na lera ni rais
bono na leka
when you talk about abajumbe tikana aba waziri mata ba waziri much as bare they are affiliated to ODM. Number one, the constitution doesn't allow them to cover party go engage in party things kwa sababu iye korking affiliation mo waziri ga bwanta cover the national outlook like government to serve the country but ko involved in politics more. But when you are talking about abajumbe ba ODM, squeeze Kaluma every day statement. Look about Millie Odhiambo then no you home Bay Town. Yeah. Millie Odhiambo I think you're a bad girl. Look at Junet. Look at so abajumbe ba ODM bono iga mbare kali bageti. You can really distinguish there's a difference being in opposition and in the government. Bono igamba what they say. Lakini ngo verify statement ya Ishungwa then lakini the funny thing about the Kenyan politics Matilda tiga kuligereria ebintaba na siasa bagukwana mbibu ati meaning maono ebintu bitari gukwana na bibu ati meaning. Don't just look at mwana siasa utene nilotabire sijui nini orengereria na bere. In fact whatever is not spoken with politicians ekina kibwate meaning mono.
Mienda naringe usanga noigati yomurai oyomo kose oyore civil servant mukoririe oyomo bwa serikali akaya kombolinga anda kekiro kurigiria siasa ya omuseneta bwa county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna no manyetenga na begoto ekiro kurigiria siasa ya Edwin Sifuna boni ingige gochaso bongo bwao.
You know omugaka Raila Odinga kera mwana nere from what I've learned. This is my personal theory on Raila Odinga. Much as nagotengo ko support yare, you don't believe in him totally. Nanje teko test waters. Muraiwe kiama ODM is not an ordinary politician. No muntu maitenga kiago kora. Bono ndenge tengo bori Matilda. I have watched the politics of the ODM party. There's a time Raila Odinga could stand and speak that the party speaks through the Secretary General. Who is the Secretary General of ODM?
Senator Edwin Sifuna.
So is that ODM speaking? Sababu according to Sifuna, since we had devolution, since we have had the broad-based, Sifuna has disowned broad-based, including in Parliament, including where Raila Odinga and William Ruto manyana bari, ukanenga there's no broad-based.
Mienda kwa manya kuiboli riswali naki, eno okorengi nga chinkwana chiri omo Senator Sifuna agukwana. Eto kenga maene pimpali koigwana no nyana ba ekatia bara ya baiga bale eme ye serikali ko sababu dio mbaso ate eme ye serikali kango tacha ti watana no kurwase kiama kya ODM
kango chakiri watana no kurwase kiama kya that's why now I'm telling you
siasa eri ikati kero kulige siasa ya ODM okosoa kwabo eme ye serikali kwarigire ubura ibuna bono bwe okusichinkwana cha Edwin Sifuna komenya kwebole ona kyomurayo yalenke wantevinga. Do you know that nga nabo omo Senator Sifuna kugenda batwara gusene vikaro bakore meeting lakini kago sofu sewe likondo ebintago te yaba Kenya mbiri abakenya batete koigwa.
You know Matilda, let me tell you. Ngwego statement nako bekiraga. Politicians kelibatari gukwana has a lot of meaning. Na kikibwate meaning yene
na bakora kuomana ase MBO akore kuomana ase chikamera kakugenda gari in the next 1 hour abaikara stay meeting.
I think Edwin Sifuna for me is kind of he's not genuine with this opposition in this broad-based kwa sababu lakini naandonya maeno mugaka Raila Odinga ore in broad-based kanango Sifuna ochiri lakini rende tari kwenda. You see just statement yako make including even saying if ODM feels like he's not
na bako mukano siote ote nate ba one time yes.
So this politics ava Kenya mbana rako tech politics kali Sifuna kwana kwa gatenga bone kiri serious. That is how politics is played. Now having in politics yento kali go kwano is the one that has a lot of meaning. So what are they doing in the boardrooms by the way? These are the same people who are dining together. I think Karoto defiant members in a political party, we have seen them whipped. Remember Karoto Abwata the
Cleophas Malala.
Malala. Let's go with history. When we had the handshake, both the Senate and the National Assembly. Abantu balibatare kugenda na handshake tokaradwale okorusigu. Tokaleteru mo jumbo Orengo Kipipiri Amos Kimunye tokara Kipchumba Murkomen okorusigu. We had Pogisho. That's now what we mean if it is working. If the broad-based is working on a genuine MOU, the other abantu back what we did. If Sifuna is not going with the party's rules. Let us see Sifuna gakurusi abarende tubwate NDC September October. Is it October? I think it's is it December? Tubwate NDC ya ODM. We don't know, maybe na bara kore changes, but if the broad based is genuine konango Sifuna uchiri. Igongo mugakuria, it's either Raila Odinga igata chita nande ga akonya kuligere ringa ngayare igobona ate ni offense iguru achara nganka yako
agocho bote ya bakenya nganje nonye ngosome vintevi ngosoma singinjiri bagali ringere me ODM nakoko te bangera ko kurusi wa ODM yiga elinde akwane usakwane kinigyo zikere me ya be free.
I wish onye ndi director anyora our director anyora statement mugano nora na akora juzi. It was on Friday. The same issues including the same day of signing the MOU ya ODM na UDM. Sifuna igate netagatebanga I'm here at a capacity of the parties constitution. Yani nga era personally wana
bwate secretary general.
Una mo secretary general.
Lakini yotali umusimo mone.
Orita no musimo igosa ko muboli era general nga kendo kirita yanchirana in front of the party leader.
Ngalenga chagete kwa ugotanchirana n'ebintu ebi. Cintunda irenga cyabeire. Ci statement irenga asomire.
Uri chinyinge nande kendo kyaro chikani geko machikumu make you genuine in his opposition. Iga kanite broad based from day one. During the signing, I don't know what everything in China has at a capacity, and never dictated at a capacity of Secretary General way Kiama Giaudium. It is the rules that forces me watch a guy. Igonga Yarkobanga Arkubunga Edwin Sifuna apart from Komo Secretary General, no chegaiga. Maybe I get
mienda. What and whatever, and I getting on the Tiobocore Wagatembe.
Okay.
Lakini swing into Mngeri bakagete njebuna ntikusene reporter kusinje ninde nimwate show gete. Tikankwane tu okoraki ase go pass information ya Gatembe. Na kogo tebanga ekero go compare the whole party yega ya ODM na boigo ne omonto an individual. Eko ba kongo go stereo monto yomo. Kose kumubeka kano mutenga karas kamagiga of just a member omonto mungasa so anyway. Tari mangane yung siasa imwense ya Kenya. To ko imuka ochake go compete ko sebuna etutebe. A company, or say organization, mwekendere go suffer
the expense of you. That's why I was bringing you to a point. Then to have a practical material.
Yes.
I'm delegating my, I'm doing my duties. But with the, if I come to management, but what a meeting, to check I management, aba. No I'm just doing the work because of the space. But at a personal level, maybe I don't. Let me ask you, what will you be done? Not even in Gatem, in any organization, you will be fired because if you are doing a work. You see, let us be practical enough. So, Sifuna agenda nerabwate. That's why, for me, I can interpret it politically. Lakini ana boko interpret it in a very raw. For me, what I know about politics of this country, tiakura iwe statement monte ntakwana. Krigeta kwanwa na kikebwate meaning. And I'm telling you for free, whatever that is not spoken, period in Sifuna about kora delivery of the cameras is what has a lot of meaning. Lakini ekigagyo gocha one term, two term nini
antiri kwa baumeri sibaho kali bikaro
antiri kwa baumeri vai saranste pie kiama gyo diam lichi camera chitayo. That is what has the meaning. Lakini ekigoro cheganga
nakuveka chikuma ko bolinga uko ready sawa twende sema one term umeteri ndone
and they orchestrate like yobawe sana sabate banga ayanyarebe okwane aye okwane ko akuyo wako
ekero bakore meeting eri ko makonyora umuntu sokire gucyari okwana buve
okwana na bale anyway this is politics. That's why you are told we don't have permanent enmity and a permanent friendship in politics. Today in politics you can be my friend tomorrow because people have different interests. But the politics goes with the interest at that moment, interest so we koso bandwagon yote eronya on two term was one term as long as you achieve what you have, what you want, your interest. Karwa akora na interest yao wapa kinaenda kwa ranga nkainande basi na benge yani liyoko genda wano zote benga ne matatu matatu njiro chikwenda Gembo chikwenda Kemera chikwenda Nyamira wano na bengo monto wano ganta kwenda Nyamira to koli na gari ya kwenda Gembo na ande Nyamira gochi kuikuri ne gari kwandaragia Nyamira ko kuri Nyamira ngo ikoro tebe ngabono nga yuchi ogembo na ndoli ne gari kwandaragia. That is the nature of politics. Interest yelio bwata as politics. The bus onye no DM go serve your purpose e bus ino go soim onye UD go serve wa soim.
Akikele ko ngoro igole director go hotevinga egari ine gari gendrete ko genda ai kero asuwe kete akoranga ai go koranga kwire okoraika kwa genda stage kere stage abantu ngo ikabara abantu bakoline gari.
Let me remind you maremu the former governor Bomet the late Joyce Laboso karanga nyito ku ODM go cha asekia makemora events URP. When we had URP igachi etakate omugakaraile na ndemba sikaine sana na bongo sigete pi ninganje to ODM lakini esenge njobone wave nire yachire ga muino insako tigara ODM tinko irakero bono ko nganjira esenge ncho base ya URP nere rankonya. That is all Laboso left. I muisaransi ya matenga ninganje to ODM. I'm a founder member na ningo sigete lakini bono esenge ncho for political interest asoko bwekero we can end the URP. That is how politicians behave. Uligerelio monto una Joshua Kutunyi, the former Cheranganyi MP. Actually, for him to win, lazima alikunganya kurwa another political party. Same to Nyeri Town. We had Wambugu Nguchiri, Montanaro Mwingi. Abere to ODM in Central. Akabere ODM, akabole na ODM, kagatabaya ya wana. Tiaga akinda anganya gocha Jubilee kose ninyore. Karanganya kanyora. So, politics, as long as onye ne basi ya UDA ego kubogoli ego ikiogembo abuno okorali nera onye no DM go kubogoli ego ikizu kekemera abuno okolinera go ikakemera go konyoranga agenda ya utiriko banini. That's how they shift. So that's the nature of our politics in this country.
Iyo nero siasa iri ase ensi ya Kenya omoncho murigira unabono bana basi gekonge eratemo ke basago teba. Good morning korwa chinse mocha doa Qatar wika chinse mocha Nyamasibi Jeria Kiribo korwa Manama Bahrain Kingdom agotaba wika Kisii County. Natasha Mkiuti agotatoto nere Nancy Ongili toto la Kisii korwa Kanyimbo agotaba akondani no moseribwege susuna bwego Jeria Kiribo. Teresa Kemta agota tionde in korwa chinse mocha Karatina na bwego Elizabeth Moige agotaba korwa Nyagisai Vombeta niko agoteba noinde meyo morobele. Victor Mondo Mienda na arene timu yae yabasalome onyoni Vini Sanganyi Ondieki Manganga Sheila Kemto Dominic Mbarube na bande abange arene kira agoteba bake Simba ya Kiamo kama Mosomi. Eriko Soro kora Kemburi Taro nikondani na Natasha Mcute Mose Stephen agoteba tiningo yagoteba ngatakire akwe wa tavangata kira akwe mioro timedinga kio ya mineti buka ushagwa whatever kuranyangusu buki na mi village rigena whatever well represented na Stephen Nyabera kutoka Kiligoris wako ndani Biamono. Fred Moga watching live and listening kurachinse mocha Bonyavi Salams Club MST Call Fred Moga Moturi Komokomo mpaka Mwario Omosoribuge Susu Corona Cruz City Salams Club Bonventure Mobisa watabu kurachinse mocha Kirwa Omosocho Rogers Nyariki awatabukurwa Amsterdam Netherlands watching live Getembe TV news. Then Kanombane Onchiri awatabukurwa Utanji Igoma Nyamache Mogacho. Shem Misiani awata good morning korochinse mocha awatabukurwa Nyamira County korochinse mocha Nyakemincha home biyamono sana. Alex Mauti kuna Maroki se county no harime yomoro buli amona David Mauti nyakweba ekiongo Mary awatabukurwa Nyabuya como imeyo morobero no mwalimu Wilfred na boigo Wilfred Andrew Machini na boigo Isaac Nyandika ononga watabakorwa doa Qatar nigo agenderete kuwocha omorobero live mbia mono sana ase mwenzi bali mogenderete kulika ujumbe chano kochaiga ase studio Paul Obuya Peter Orare Clinton okay mbia mono sana Dele Mandela Bishop Nyangena Charles Omari na Mogire Fred Onsare bia mono sana so kugenda koba na into meyo morobere mienda sam asabono kagerete nga
tugamba kutigera no mugeni mo murarigiriya mangana beratatu bakini asanse mu chinga seti Acha nishukuru sana asaba aligerera baitu.
Mbemana sana mwancho murigerere gendera gutigara ime Gatembe TV korinde asense mu yamienda njetina soka antogendera gukwanira gusekurigereria amangana ayabasaya asomoroberio iga gutwania Gatembe gendera gusangana into asechinse mu cha Facebook na bachinse mu cha wetera se namba yetu studio na bigona ranga Wilfred korachinse mu kircha ari nereni kateba good morning mapema sana asemwensi bali mugende tosanga mbia muno kigima gendera kurigereria Gatembe TV.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazina City Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogoko obokoreri asechinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri asechi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Uhuru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina City Events. This is a surety. Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisovaset ebirogo bye chisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo cyo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo aho kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyo koroseria ebirogo na boygo chips cyo koros pillowcase ekyo ogorarira
Gaki. Omwana oyo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa. Chibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali. Hai, bono chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana chisare. Kwa razangu ra duniani. Kaki, oroje baka nabwate baka ebinto mbire bakoro bachiferi beti. Chikorozi, ebirogo. Diechikali. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto koruga mwapo ichi wakali. Hili, omuganga James Onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo byechigali naboigo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 boy Juakali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuroro
njempo Juakali Store na bariga ni mwesto koleria sara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gaki. Gaki, genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba boli Juakali. Gaki, egotoka alinsali taracha mbili. Gaki, ligere libudango kuanete, omusi omubihili. Gaki, nariri goli kwa sarense, ebinto nago lile gaki. Bui Juakali. Hai! Hili. Gaki. Hili. Hai, ngogongonya. Musi omubihili. Kulite bintu muni mamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
Yesterday. Kijana, hujasoma? Na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndiyo nimekubali.
Mashallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV. Yani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli.
Ware. Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili wimanyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito. Voigo share na basani amone amate. Ejo baigokie. Vemanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Edio onyaliko bagoko yanyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekenakyo ekeonga. Kiama mogusie. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asiligo lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitanki au nabwego kurose company au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au nabwego n'ebintu bikutumikase e bathroom babwate kitchen sinks nabwego ne tap babwate bintu bigukora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkone bale MDF boards kone bale deformed bath teaching enjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire teaching enjo au konya bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets nkone bale boigo chirangi kurwasa chi company au asibabwate chi machine echo chiko chiburukania babwate biro byechinga enjo au babwate chi gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ibintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seligolirense niko bagutuka ase nyombere manyakanta na Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisumu imbe mu Kijuiga obusungo asamange naboko bakiresi bibutara se namba cyabo 0703943972. Nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyoma enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega au bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asirigolidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba munyibita bobale nobo munyibiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726. Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero au ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemero yetu au inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Momogusi. Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiriye amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingagi ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi Proval net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile Provals alia au Oriental Elegantal Versatile Gross na boigo na Versatile Mat MRM niko babwate Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo Web Design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe gwe mabwate liga nigo bokorengana amo nukugania gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikonyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakerania amabati yega ase nyumba yao tutarire rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabati ayo akomenya asegeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango eduke yega ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo mucuri go busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njane gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asachinse mubuna outside catering. Asemeyega buna chinyangi chionse, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankoena nabare obukoreri asachinse muboyego buna decorations, chi ebirogo, chimesa, chikeke, nabo igon kuru barobo koreri bwa public address system. Yubago toka mbarabari ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo. Samange bakresi miase namba 0797119986. Riziki Caterers. Ubwansu Wendagera.
Mama Rosa.
Jirani.
Mama Rosa, nimefika hapa kwako.
Karibu sana jirani yangu.
Naendeleaje?
Tuko salama.
Mbona mzee analala chini hapa na analia?
Mzee analia, mzee ni mgonjwa. Mzee amekaa nashughulikia yeye, nimempeleka hospitali, hata sasa anashinda ugonjwa wake, nimpeleke wapi sasa?
Sasa shida ya mzee ni gani? Huyo mzee hajazeeka. Shida yake ni gani unamwacha hivi?
Mzee wangu mara ni mgongo, mara ni kifua. Ukikuja mara magoti, mara miguu, hata kuinua hivi juu huwezi inua. Sasa nimeshinda nifanye nini jirani?
Wewe usikii hata redio ikitangaza juu ya hospitali inaitwa Nuga Best.
Nekene enyagitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa uwokorubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea. Nuga Best nigo babire bako wenya amarwire ao ayo agendere ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu unabono uburwire buri bwa mauga yani arthritis uburwire bwo mugongo watia ulcers amarwire yenda onsi egati amarwire ande nigo bako batukubu wenya buiga bagutumeka chimashini chekerero nigo bagutuka imeyo mu cyubusungo asamagacho Ouru Towers rirongo rya kabere iyo irangene bengi ya Kenya Women batari rero Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kugwenia
ngora mugaka ke na kigwito mugaka
okorrati ndi bobe
obo mano ne kero gwacha ono gotarangwa konyara gotano no goikaransa ngwara konyara goikaransa mugaka aiga ni gore senya getari ya Nuga Best
nande ngimwacha kwa nkolinya gitari kaki uruti naitana ni gutinya gitari kumanyika na mente kaki abana bane uchizindani ntungiro gutungu nigombali rukubarwa kaki nimbe
ayo mugaka nagetari ito nduri ko rusimanyenga nduri ko kobara nduri ko kobekera macho mugaka eto ko bwene ko etera samaryo ko itana no Diamond tumenya muno ikaranse kana maryo ko ikaranserete amaryo kana rawo konya go swa senjera yo mubere elinda go konye ko bwene mugaka na bono tukware ko nyara gutara mugora yali ndialete amaryo kana rago so mugaka ago konyo mugaka ko konyoro sami kiyera mbuke kabisa no mugongo mugaka ko ni gubuya igesi ndwe senyagetari ito ya Nuga Best nduri ko bara nduri ko rusimanyenga nduri ko bekera macho ndo se mugaka eto ko bwene etera senjera yekerero asogotumeka chimashini chito chekerero cha Nuga Best mugaka
부야 몰래 안녕하세요.
Egena nyasaye tumia Nuga Best ebintu binde byonsi tiga na nyasaye wekata kurai omenye naenda bwebuya n'obusale n'obwato mubere obwo bwere tena kaiga bali bane tenwe kera miti ndoto na tabe tuwe clinic kyo mogaka ne kyo mongena na bahira tenweke korumba golera machine ye mati nanya ko bahira clinic ya arthritis